See you guys.
Snowing.
But that's the recording. I don't know how to do this.
Dang, the snow is Gabe, come here. Don't eat the snow! You look at the snow! Ew, disgusting. Ah, look at this!
Yeah, come on, get in. Come here. That's awesome. Yeah. That's cool, man. Yeah. Roll it. Yeah. That's cool, man. Keep rolling it. You can get a bigger one than that. Good job. See, that's good technique.
Yeah, you did.
You actually get a bigger one, and then you can build a snowman, man. Get a little bit bigger so you can get a body. Wow, Nathan, you actually cut it off, man. Come on, Nathan. Yeah, you wanna roll on this side too. Get the snow off this side. Get a body bigger. You need my help? Alright, keep rolling. Get all the snow out of that. There you go, man. That's a good job. That's how you make it snow. Keep rolling. That's cool. Oh, you gotta see this. Let's get a body. Yeah. Yep, you got it. Come on. You want me to help you? You got it? Point at it. You got it, both one? Over here, so we can get a body, right? Put a body right here. Come here. Come here. Good job, Ben. Over here. Over here, let's put the body right here. Over here, put it in front. Come on, you're strong enough, man. Come on, you're big and daddy. Good work, come on. There you go. Alright, we're gonna set the body right here. Good job, guy. Alright, let's set the body right back. I'm helping you. Okay.
Ketchup on it?
The body, yes. Let's get a head, one. You got the head.
That's the body.
Cold.
I got
You got a head, Ben? Making the body right now. I help you carry it up, okay? When you're ready. Good job, guy. Good. I think that's big enough for the body. You gotta roll it. You're just gonna stick with it. Just roll. It's okay. Okay, that's enough of the body. I think it's good on the body. Snowman.
Oh, so tired. Over here.
Got him, man?
Over
Okay. Your head's kind of big though, but you can do it though. You guys got it? Come on, lift it up.
I need help. Ah,
Help your brother in that.
James, you're resting on the snowball. Yes.
we got nose and mouth. How we do that? Okay, again. Sure, buddy. I'm making snowman. Come here. Come on, come here. He thought that's some fruit. Alright, here's my snowman. Ah! Just came up. That's not bad. Get your face later, okay? That was good. Okay, can you guys stand by the snowman? Hmm? Oh. No, Nathan already got a hat. Let's his arm. It's missing the arm. Hey, I got an arm. I have idea. Okay, here we go. We can find some arm. I got it. Okay, that would be a good idea. For now, okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just enough to make it. That's real good. Yep, here we go. You hear that? Get some arm. That's so loose. Good. That's good. Yeah, that's the arm. Yeah.
It doesn't even look like it's smiling.
It's good. It's perfect. It's good. Here we go. I am the snowman. That long? No, it's good. Oh, okay. Go get some like that. Get it? No.เอากล้องมาดิเอาวิดีโอมา Okay, now we're gonna put right in here. Alright. No. Okay. First one. It's good. Give me a second. Come on, Thai. It's good. Here, come on. He's good. He got this one for the snowman. Kaden, no. What is Kaden?
He wants some food.
Sorry, Kaden. Not for you today, buddy. Wow, that's perfect snowman right there. Kaden, no. Ooh, boy. Okay, go get him. Can you get him? Go. Kaden, want to eat the fruit. This is the snowman. All right, let me get the camera. Kaden, come here. Snowman, all right. How about you, Nathan? This cute guy. Good job, guy.
Oh, you wanna play that?
Oh, you're playing with Ben?
Oh, you wanna play that?
Okay. Oh. Yeah, see it.
Oh, this is Japanese.
Japanese.
Oh, you wanna go off fight? Okay.
Yeah, snow fight. Good, you guy.
I'm making a wall, Betty.
Oh, we're Ben.
Oh, yeah, you wanna play? I'll play now?
Okay, come on. Here we go. Ah, come on, go ahead. You can be.
Ready?
Go on, Ben. Ah, here we go. Boom. We can play the snowball fight. Hang on, let me take my camera. Okay, come on, snowball fight. Hey, Ben. Ready? I got you, Ben. I got you, buddy. Oh my God. Boom! Oh, I got it too. Oh, man, I got your head, man. Ah. Yeah, I got it too. Look at that. Ah, right there. Oh, boom. Oh, you get me. Boom, guy. We got a snowball fight. Boom, right there, I got you, man. Boom, that's a big hit right there. Ah, that you got hit a lot of time, man.
Oh, I know.
Boom, just an easy shot for me.
Oh, now.
Come on, buddy. You're too big for you to cast. Ah, right there.
I'll play now.
Okay, come on. Go ahead. Ah. Well, you didn't move back and get too close, man. You didn't move back a little bit. Yeah, you can get on me. It's good. Get that. Boom. Yeah, Benny, look at that. You missed me. Oh, oh, here we go. Ah. Ah. Okay, hang on. Oh, Nathan, you got me a very good shot. Nathan. Ah. More Simon, you use me. Ah, you got me. The snow day. This Nathan. This Benjamin. Where's the Mr. Caden? Where's gonna go? Please. Hi,